Look what we have. New arrival, Boxflipz. Just came in 5 minutes ago. Haven't opened it yet. Let's see what all the hubbub is about. See what we can do. Delivery times are like weird with this company. They ship. Some people say they're getting theirs a month later. This I ordered on the 6th of April. And I ordered this box and an Amazon mystery box. The Amazon mystery box was, yeah. So this is the electronics box, mystery electronics box. And let's see what we got. So delivery time, this was on the website, it says 7 to 10 business days. Give or take, you know, this is right in there. This is in the window. It's out of the window, but it's less than 2 weeks. Now, if you're depending on this for your business, you got to take that into consideration. Like, their delivery times might not be the ish for people. You know? So, it's filled. It's a 12 by 12, I think. Not sure. That's clear. Yes. Trash there. So one trash. What is this here? It's like a gimbal for video record, like GoPros and things. Headlight, cheap headlight. For another trash, broken, used. So that's trash pile. So far 2 trash. Now shoulder bag. We'll go into that. We'll go into that. Look like Wii controls, but maybe not. Light therapy. Plugs. And what is this? Beanie. So, let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 items I need to check on. 2 trash. $199 for 12 items, 2 trash. So $200 for 10 items, $20 an item. It's not part of that. What I think about Boxflipz, guys. Boo-boo. You're boo-boo, sir. Boxflipz is pure boo-boo. $199 for, yeah, boo-boo.